All right, guys, so it's happening. I looked at a few cars. I looked at this one, and this one was pretty nice. And then I looked at this one and this CX-9. The CX-9 was real nice. There was a truck over there. We might go back and look at the truck, but looks like this might be the winner. This is a Mazda 6, decked out pretty nice. Yeah, I'm getting the paperwork done on it right now. I want to see what the payments are going to look like. But yeah, brand new, looking pretty. I thought that was the scratch. So, yep. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I'll let you know if I end up buying it. I might be buying a truck. Don't know yet. Find out shortly. Stay tuned.
Okay, Mazda 6.
Yes, Mazda 6.
Ram.
Touring Reserve.
Ram Touring Reserve. Sir, could you put this on speaker?
Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Stop.
Of the Mazda, yes.
That's my brother.
Stop.
Guys, I bought the car. I don't know how well you can hear me because traffic. But the car has officially been bought. I have no idea how good this video is going to be, but I'll get some video of it tomorrow. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe.